In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to change picture in Canva template. So first of all, go to their website or open their app, and now from here you can choose any template you want. So let's say I want to use this template. I need to select it. Once your project opens, now we need to go to the upload section from the left panel and now click on upload files while selecting images. Now find the images which you want to replace on your Canva template. So I want to use these two images. I need to select it, then tap on open. Now it will start uploading those images on your Canva. Once the images are uploaded, we just need to drag that image and hover over that image to the image where you want to replace it, just like this, and then the image will be replaced on your template. And now we just need to repeat the process for replacing our another image. Now in case you want to change its position or size inside the shape, so for that we just need to double tap on our image, and then from here you can choose its position, size and everything according to your need. And that's how you replace image in Canva template. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.